Hey guys, welcome back. I just wanted to show you the new project I picked up the other night. This one's a DT250 1972 model. As you can see, she's got everything there pretty much is all solid. Tank's in really good shape. Gauges are there. I got an ignition with a key. Tank is spotless. Show you the inside. Pretty good for a bike that's sitting for a little while. Apparently it just needs a coil. I didn't dig into anything yet, obviously. I just kind of brought it out into the light to get a good video of it. And just to kind of show you what it looks like beforehand. I love the styling on these early DTs. I gotta check. I don't think this is the right fender for the front. I'm almost positive, but I thought they rode lower to the wheel, like right above the wheel, kind of like a trials fender. But I could be wrong. Maybe that was an option. Actually got the tools on there still. Not often you see that on these old bikes. What the seat looks like here. Seat pan's really solid, as you can see. Just needs cleaned up. And the coil. Hopefully nothing else. Yeah, she's gonna be sweet when she's going though. That paint's gonna clean up really well, I think. Aside from a couple little scratches. Nothing too major. She's gonna look good.